So, hello friends, my name is Sarvaja Chakravarti and you are watching Smart Learning with SC. So, today's our topic is about logarithm. So, basically why logarithm come to existence? This is the most valuable question. So, let us begin with the answer. So, what is the answer? As we know in our previous classes, there is some index. So, what is index? So index is such there is two multiplication of same numbers like 2 into 2. So what will be its resultant? We firstly do as like 2 into 2 is a 4, but here we will try it another way. What is the index number? So the the power of this term is 1 and this is 1. So the power of this will be in multiplication. The index rule says us that if there is two similar numbers, then the multiplication of the same two numbers, then their power will be added. So here is 1 and here is 1, the power will be 2 to the power 2, which will be equal to 4. So this was the famous formula, a to the power n cross a to the power m equal to a to the power m plus n. This was the formula. So likewise, that was our index. So as we are now discussing about log, so from here we can write 2 square is equal to 4. It was our index relation. So now this is very difficult when we take such examples, 2 to the power 90 plus 2 to the power 65. So we have, if we have to plus or summation of these two numbers, then there is a major difficulty, because firstly we have to develop this we first to calculate this 2 to the power 90, then after the value we have to add with 2 to the power 65. After calculating we have to plus, but there is a simple technique by which we can add these two terms like two terms without calculating these vulgar numbers. So let us begin. What is this? This is called log. This is called log. So log. So how to use log? So first of all, we have written over there 2 to the power 2 square equal to 4. So 2 square equal to 4. So in log we write it as, in general term, if there is a to the power n is equal to z, therefore we will write it as in log of z base of a is equal to n. So this is our formula for conversion from index to log. So let us explain more. From here we can write it as log of 4 base 2 is equal to 2. So we will read it as log of 4 when the base is 2 is equal to 2. So now we will discuss some formulas. Like first formula, log of m plus log of n is equal to log of m into n. This is our first formula. Our second formula is log of m minus of log of n is equal to log of m by n. Our third formula is log of a to the power n base k is equal to n of log a base k, and the last formula is log of k base m is equal to, you can write log of b base m into log of k base of b. These are the major formulas of log. So let us take an example of this formula. Let us write log of 2 plus log of 3. From this formula we can write log of 2 cross 3 is equal to log of 6. Similarly, you can, from this formula we can write log of 2 minus log of 3 is equal to log of 2 by 3. Another one, log of 2 cube is equal to 3 of log 2. If the base is 10, the base is 10. So, and so on. So now we'll talk about the kind of logs. There are mostly 3 kinds of logs, like first case, natural log or log which base is 10. Secondly, ln or equal to log of when base is e. And third, when base is 2 or equal is, it is known as binary log. So there is a relation between them. What is that relation? Log of 10 k base 10 equal to 2.303 e is 2.303 log of k base 10. This is equation, or we can write ln of k, it is equivalent, is equal to 2.303 log of k when base is 10. This is our formula. So this was my video all about logarithm. So if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and hit that like icon, and comments and share. If you have any queries, please leave a comment below. I will be replying it frequently. So we will be discussing another topic in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.